Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I am working in the studio again. So, I have been busy pouring paints, and I'm going to do another poured painting. I've been running some, just testing different things, trying to decide. I'm going to do a big poured painting, but not today. I'm still testing everything, and hopefully maybe by who knows when. I got pretty close the other day. I found some stuff I really liked. So today I'm still going to run a few tests, and hopefully we come up with something pretty great. Anyways, hopefully you're keeping busy during this quarantine. I have a story to tell you. So I'll tell you while we're getting ready. So I'm going to pull you down. Okay. I think that's a good view there. Alright. How the mixture for the paints are in the description. And a few of these colors, I'm using all Liquitex paints, except for the white and the black. The white is semi-gloss glidden, and the black is just oh shoot, what is it? Took the bottle out of here. I'll have to think of that. It's just a plain acrylic black paint that comes in the big tubes at Michael's. So anyways, I can't think of its name. Hopefully I'll write that in the description too. Anyways, so those two, the black is just mixed with Floetrol, and that's it. And the other ones are mixed with the base, and they each have just a little bit. I'm trying to stay real low because the cups are small, of silicone oil. And I don't know how people keep their stuff looking so clean. That's a newer bottle too. So mine already looks painty. Paint on everything. So, alright. I just did a painting a few minutes ago, and I'm looking for my pour cup. Here it is. I'm using some of the same colors. Let's see here. Won't be the best place to put it for you. I can't see too well what's in it, but I'll tell you. Okay, I'm just going to start off with the white. Oh, if I set it way over the edge like that, it may flip over there. We don't want that. No way. So, what do I want to do with the white? Pink. We'll start with pink. Let's put a lot of pink in this time, maybe. I'm using bright ones. Bright. Uh-oh. Somebody snuck in a flower, I think, to my mixture already. Just kidding. They thicken up on me. I hate that. And they get so thick. I just did a pour. Just not too long ago, 15 minutes ago, and those are already thick. I'm going to hold this up real high so it runs down in there a little bit. And I'm going to put a little more white on this one. So, and due to the fact that I'm going to be putting some paint on the canvas, which that seems to be what I'm loving to do. I hated it before, years ago, and now I love it. So my pink, I guess it's just all what you do, you think it's fun. Okay, so I want to put black. Black is going to be the override to the sides, guys. Or put a little black on the edges here. . A little extra there. So anyways, today I went to the store to get some groceries. And since now you have to wear a mask in public spaces in Florida here. So, which is good. I always thought wearing a mask was probably good. And so today I decided, I'm going to wear gloves and a mask and head to the store to get my groceries. Well, all of a sudden it made me really had me thinking about everything I touched. Because I got my gloves on and everything I touch. The next thing you know, I'm getting ready to walk to the register, and then I realize, oh my God, I've touched my hair a couple of times. And so I'm like thinking, okay, now I'll contaminate my pillow. I'm going to have to take another shower before I go to bed, okay? These thoughts never, ever entered my mind until today. And today is, we're in the middle of April. So, anyways, before you know it, I'm like thinking about how I'm going to contaminate everything. So I'm waiting in line with my groceries, and I happen to see the lady that's in front of me, and she hands the lady cash, and the cashier hands her cash back. Then, at this point, I'm like thinking the money's got to be filthy dirty by now. And so, as the lady's ringing out all my groceries, I'm thinking, okay, everything now is contaminated. Never thought about that before. So now all my friends, I like these rings around. My friends are telling me I should take all the groceries out. Well, a lot of them order it and have it brought to their house, or they go and pick them up. And most of them take them out in the garage and they wipe them all down with Clorox. So I'll tell me this is what they do, and I'm like, oh my God. So I put them all away. I went swimming. I figured that'll wash off some of the contamination. Oh. So who knows what happens the next time, how I do it. I don't know. I like going in picking out my groceries, because usually I'm not don't plan so far ahead. But anyways, so now I'm like thinking about all the contamination. All right, so back to the painting here. All I'm doing is looking at composition on here. What do I want to keep? What I think is pretty cool. And I love it when a lot of different things. This is probably going to be pretty dark. Obviously. And you have black paint put down. Just slide it around on. But there's something about those I'm enjoying right now. Look at this, guys. Look at all the little lines in there. I like those little lines. Oh, it's interesting. Alright, let's pull you back. Let's go over here and pick on this side. There's not much happening there. We can stretch out a little bit. I like this, what's going on right there. Ooh. A little too close for comfort. If you want to keep something on there. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do next time I get groceries, which I usually don't. Well, I've been going in every few days to get groceries because that's just how it works lately. God, I love this one. Jesus, look at those little lines there. Very interesting. It's amazing that these poured paintings, they can come up with some really, really cool stuff. So when you have a bad one once in a while, which is, if you have a whole bunch of bad ones, it's pretty disappointing. But sometimes, you know, these good ones definitely, most of the time, can outweigh any of the bad ones. So, I'm loving this. Let's see. I like this too. I want to have it stretch it back a little bit. So hopefully, guys, you're passing your time creating. I gotta stop. Alright, because I need a few little lines in here, I'm gonna after all, this is my creation. I can touch it. Right? What do you think? Oops, get the... Shoot, that light, I hate that. It's like in the way. I love it. Anyways, okay, guys, that's it for that one. Well, hopefully you have a great evening, and I'm going to do another one like this because I like the way this turned out. So I'll be back soon. Bye. I can't tell if it's stopped.